to the weather with Victor David.
Hi, this is Victor David here with your weather report. As you can see, we have Hurricane Joe Corbett coming down the... yeah? Joaquin? Justine? Joaquin! Hurricane Joaquin is barreling up the east coast here, and as you can see, it will make landfall Sunday right around here, or here, whatever that is. However, no hurricane will stop Program Board from hosting their hashtag CapitalFest 2015 from occurring this Saturday at 7 p.m. over in the Great Rooms because they HurriCAne. Okay. And now to Annalisa with the rain plan.
That's right, Victor, because they HurriCAne. Capital Fest 2015 is still happening in the Priz Great Rooms. Doors opening at 7 p.m. It's definitely going to be the best day of our lives.
I'm not trying to stop